Selling digital products is dead. I'm gonna say something that's gonna sound weird coming from someone who makes their living selling digital products. Most of the people telling you to sell digital products online right now are right about the model and completely wrong about what to actually sell. Ebooks? They're not great. Canva templates? They're cheap. Low-ticket PDFs? Same thing. A $29 recurring community where you do a group call once a week and pray nobody cancels. It's a 10 out of 10 difficulty. But a high-ticket online course, that is very much alive. It's a money printer. And the difference between those things is not small. It's the difference between making a few $100 a month and making life-changing money. I've literally experienced it myself. So let me explain exactly what's there, what's not, and what you should actually be building in 2026. Because the people making these videos actually want to lead you down the wrong path. They tell you sell services, but then you're just trading time for money. My name is Fred. I make my income online by selling digital products, specifically high-ticket online courses. My record is over $5,000 in cash collected in 48 hours. Not revenue, not gross, cash in my bank account. And I want to be straight with you about what actually works right now. Because there's a lot of noise in this space and most of it is pointing people in the wrong direction. A few years ago, you could sell an ebook about how to grow on Instagram for $27 and people would buy it because that information was genuinely hard to find. You could sell a meal plan template, a content calendar, a Notion dashboard. People paid for that stuff because building it yourself took real time and skill. AI changed all of that. Anyone can now generate an ebook in one afternoon. Anyone can make a template with an AI tool in 20 minutes. When the barrier to create something drops to basically zero, the value of that thing drops with it. That's just how markets work. So yes, if your digital product is built around low-ticket information products that AI can now produce for free, that business is in trouble. That part is true. But here's where the logic falls apart. The answer to low-ticket info products are very, very difficult to sell is not stop selling digital products entirely and go build a service business, trade your time for money, be a better paid employee. The answer is to sell something that AI cannot commoditize. And that thing is a high-ticket online course built around your specific results if you've got any, your specific framework, and your ability to get someone from where they are to where they want to be. Or you can simply learn a topic and share it as you're learning it, or partner with somebody who's an expert and you sell for them. The easiest way you can do that is by joining the free community in the description below. Make a post in it, ask people if they have an expertise that they want to build a course around, but maybe they don't have the time to sell it themselves, and you will do the sales and the marketing. Link for that is in the description below. So you've got no excuse not to start a course business. Now, a course is not an ebook. A course is not a PDF. A course gives a transformation. It's a structured system that takes someone through a process and gets them a real outcome. And people don't get that from AI. And I mean, ideally, people buy it from a person they trust who's done the things they want to do. That's not going away. And if you want to see exactly how I build and sell high-ticket courses with AI, the whole system from creating the course to getting it in front of the right people to actually closing sales, I put it all inside my free course on School. It's completely free. And if you want me to personally look at your situation and help you figure out what your high-ticket course should be about, you can book a free call with me. Both links are in the description below. Now, let me show you why this specific model works when everything else seems to be getting more difficult. Here's the math that nobody talks about. If you sell a $27 ebook and you want to make $10,000 a month, you need to sell 370 of them every single month. That means you need a massive audience, constant content, constant ads, a lot of traffic. And you're competing with thousands of other people selling basically the same thing for the same price or even less because AI made it trivially easy to create. Now, if you sell a $2,000 course, you need 5 sales a month to make $10,000. Just 5. And if you sell a $5,000 course, you only need 2. That changes everything about how you think about your business. You don't need a massive audience. You don't need to go viral. You need the right people to find you, trust you, and believe you can help them get a specific result. That's it. And here's where AI actually helps instead of hurts. Because if you're sitting there thinking, Fred, I don't have anything to teach, that objection is basically gone now. You can use AI to research a topic in depth, pull together everything that's known about it, build a full curriculum and course structure around it. AI can help you write the lessons, script the content, organize the modules, you bring the direction and the packaging. AI does the heavy lifting on the content side. And if you don't want to be on camera, you can use an AI avatar or AI voice to deliver the whole thing without your face ever appearing on screen. The barrier to selling a $27 ebook has also never been lower, which is exactly why you shouldn't be selling the $27 ebook. Now, even if you build the right product, if you're using the wrong funnel, you're going to struggle. And most people teaching digital products are still teaching a funnel that is losing trust with the market. The old way is you run traffic, you send people to an opt-in page, they watch a video sales letter, they hit a book a call page, and then you try to close them on a call. That sequence worked a few years ago. It works a lot less now because people have been through it so many times, they're already skeptical before they even finish watching the VSL. The trust is gone before the conversation starts. What's working right now is sending people to a free course on School before you ever ask them for anything. You give them real value up front. They go through the content, they learn something, they start to trust you. And by the time they book a call, they already believe you can help them. You're just helping them to figure out if it's the right fit. The conversion is higher, the calls are easier, and you're talking to people who actually want to be there, they want your help. That is the model. High ticket courses, free score funnel, qualification call. That's what's working really well in 2026. So digital products are far from being dead. Low ticket, easily replaced, AI commoditized information products are dead. There's a big difference. A high ticket online course built around a real transformation delivered through a trust-first funnel is one of the best businesses you can build right now. It's high margin, there's no inventory, no shipping, no staff, and you only need a handful of sales a month to make serious money. And look, if you don't know what your course should be about, or you think you have nothing to teach, use AI to help you build it. The knowledge is out there. AI can help you pull it together. You just need to package it, position it, and put it in front of the right people. I built a free course on School that shows you the entire system, what to sell, how to build it, how to set up the funnel, how to get on calls with people who are already warm. It's completely free. The link is in the description below. And if you want me to personally help you figure out your course topic, your offer, and your funnel, you can book a free call with me, link in the description as well. Now, I do this personally and I don't take unlimited bookings, so if you're watching this and you're serious about making money and saving time with AI right now, go book it now. Low ticket is 10 out of 10 difficulty, high ticket is a money machine. So let's build it.